Menteri Rangba Kajella Conrad ke sangma ula Pynbna theh jingiarap iaka shnong Ialong lingba ka scheme Chief Minister Special Development Program na kabenta bantay Pynbha bat iada iaki jaka khamtam yaki hali ki penthor ha ka shnong Ialong iaka ni Menteri Rangba ula ong ha ka sni penkut iaka bedin klam ka senrat Ialong ha ka shipau tarik nailar ula ong ba kawa Myntdu kala jingpynjulor iaka jaka ka bahe kenthop iaka hali ha ka shnong Ialong kumta ula ong ba jingiarap lingba ka scheme Chief Minister Special Development Program banyada ya ka jingpynjulor kawa ula ong ru ba ka sorkar kanwanra yaki kampenroy na kabenta ban Pynbha Pynmiat ya ka shnong Ialong bat ka Ialong Park ula ong shu ba ka sorkar kan theh jingiarap bantay yaki jingtay ha perda ka shnong Ialong khnang ban pendap ya ka le nyam bedin klam ha ka rukom kabadai bat ban kentiu shu ya ka kolshor.
They had requested us because the river was actually damaging the land out there, and the erosion was taking place, and so some temporary measures were requested from the villagers. I had supported it with my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, and I was asked to just come and see the work that's happening, and I'm happy to see that it has been of great help. But of course much more needs to be done, and I think we need more of a permanent solution. So we will work towards it and ensure that that entire area, the paddy fields out there and the land is protected. At the same time, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and the local MLA were with me, and they have urged that the tourism infrastructure should also be developed out there, and I completely agree with them. And hence we have decided to work on a plan and in a phase-wise manner start giving necessary infrastructure, not just in that area but even in Ialong Park area, and also develop the road. And even for the wedding club, the organizing committee has requested me to support them with basic infrastructure out here, and I have given commitment like we have done for other venues where the wedding club festival is held, where we have supported from our side. We have assured them that here also we will support and we will create the necessary infrastructure for the people so that they can celebrate it in a much better manner in the coming years.